Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the undercover or engine splash lining on your 2006 Honda Civic. So these are all the points that you basically where the clips are. So there's quite a few of them, and I'm not going to show you how to take it off completely because I didn't have one to take off because it kind of got all messed up and I had to cut it. But I'll show you how to do it. So first thing you want to do is take off these two clips, and so these are one of the sides. And it's connected inside the wheel well, so take those off. Also be careful that sometimes these things can shoot out like rockets, so you might want to wear eye protection. I think this one I shot out like a rocket. Yeah, there you go. So once you do that, then get under the car, and you kind of have to remove a little bit of the fender lining to get it out. If you can get it out without doing that, that's awesome. But here's how to take off a piece of the fender line to get it out. So take these two clips off, and then that'll give you enough room to wiggle it out. If you can't get it out without taking these out. So then take off that side of the splash guard. So see how there's no under piece because I had to cut it. So then go ahead and work the other side as well, and work the if you have one, obviously work the under clips as well. And so they're all the same. Just use your screwdriver and pop them out like that. Definitely have extra clips around, so I'll have a link to those in case you need them. So here's the other side where I was taking out the fender liner as well, just to make it easier. So if you're more gentle with the clips when you pry them apart, they tend not to break as easily, but again, definitely have them around. So this is the little set that I got. There's different sizes, definitely very useful. So I'll give you guys a link in the description. So then it's just in reverse order. What I do is I separate the clip, so that piece first, and then lock it in with the other piece. It just makes it a lot easier to line everything up and get everything in place. So definitely do it that way rather than trying to shove both of them in at once. So, whoops. So go ahead and put the other one in, hold it in place, and then use your other piece of the clip to lock it in. And then you want to start working the under part of the car. So like the picture in the beginning, here's all the actual spots that you need to line up. So there's another piece that you need to line up with the actual bumper. And so that's where separating the clips makes it a lot easier to line these up and get everything, in place easier. So there's a bunch of them that are hooked up to the bumper, and there's a couple to the frame here at the top as well. And so I'm just going to show a couple because it's the exact same thing. You just need to line everything up. So have it all lined up. Like I said, separate it, put that piece, the base piece of the clip in, and then put the other piece in to lock it in place. And then you just do that for basically every single hole that you see. So there's one of them. I'm going to show you one more, but it's exactly the same thing. So just make sure it's lined up. Separate the clip, line that up, and then get the other piece of the clip and lock it in. And it shouldn't be moving anywhere after you lock it in. There shouldn't be any play or space. So if that's not the case, then you didn't use the right size clip. So then go work your way around and then just finish it off with the other side of the fender liner. And that's basically it. So like I said, take it apart, and then it's just a lot easier to line up, especially that clip, because there's the fender liner and the splash guard. So then go ahead and do the same thing with the other side, and then you're done. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.